Under full moon, coral reefs come alive, but that's more to it than just a pretty glow. Once a year, corals across entire reefs take part in synchronized spawning events, releasing their gametes, basically coral babies, into the water all at once. What's amazing is that corals in each area release them at the exact same time, sometimes even down to the minute. This mass release isn't random, it's carefully coordinated through the lunar cycle. Corals have special light-sensitive proteins to help them detect moonlight, signaling when it's time. By spawning together, they overwhelm predators who simply can't eat them all, giving the coral larvae a higher chance of survival. It's like nature's version of safety in numbers, glowing, coordinated, and under the light of the moon.